eat it, they'll be like, say what? It's vegan? So yeah. Hey guys, it's your girl, Chef Joya, and you are in for a treat. Now, I'm known for my vegan mac and cheese, hence why I have on my crown. They call me the queen of mac and cheese. Whether it's vegan, non-vegan, I have the best mac and cheese out here, and I'm getting ready to give you one of my recipes that's in my vegan soul food cookbook. It's so amazing with the extra few tips and tricks. Make sure that this is on the table for your holidays because it's going to be the dish of the evening. Now, we're gonna start off by making the base of our mac and cheese. Now, listen, if you want all the flavor, you're gonna do exactly as I do, okay? All right, I might say something differently, but do what I do, not what I say, all right? So we're gonna add some vegan butter, and you can use whatever kind you want. I don't know how much that was in there, but we put that much in there, okay? That's how much we put in there. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and start adding my flours immediately. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and add some tapioca starch. Now in my cookbook, I say use arrowroot starch, but you can use tapioca starch. All right, and the tapioca starch is what's gonna give it that actual pull. So the flour is going to thicken it up, and the tapioca starch is gonna give it a nice cheesy pull. Mix that. We're gonna grab my whisk. What we decide the name? Was it Wilena? Wilma Whisker? I don't know. It was one of them. But I like it. Miss Independent. Y'all have so many different names for it. Vegan sour cream. And why, Chef Joya, why do you do that? I don't know. That's the way I was taught, and it works. Ask some awards I got. Ask why I'm undefeated. I don't know. It just works. It works. So next we're gonna go ahead and add our unsweetened plant-based milk. Now today I'm gonna use cashew milk. So we're gonna go ahead and whisk some of that in there. And one of the key things you wanna make sure that's happening is that your milk is at room temperature. You ain't gotta worry about it spoiling, y'all. Don't put any cold cold milk in here because it will seize it. So you wanna make sure you add a little bit at a time and leave it at room temperature, okay? Add some garlic powder, some salt. Then we're gonna add some black pepper to this and add some onion powder. Now, y'all be putting fresh onions in your mac and cheese. Stop doing it. Don't grind it, don't zest it, don't blend it. Don't nobody want no fresh onions. Can we bold this out? Put it in tight. Nobody needs any fresh onions in your mac and cheese. Matter of fact, no fresh ingredients. All processed, okay? All processed food, right? So putting all that, might want no healthy mac and cheese. All right, next we're gonna go ahead and add some vegan Worcestershire sauce. Add some hot sauce to it as well because hot sauce and Worcestershire sauce is absolutely delicious. Next, we're gonna go ahead and add some Dijon mustard. Now we're gonna add some smoked paprika. And then one of the ingredients, I'm gonna let y'all know if y'all think y'all know what it is. Let me know what it is. It's a secret ingredient. This is not even my cookbook, but this is one of the items that I use in my award-winning recipes. All right, so I add a little bit of that. I'm super curious. Let me know down below what you think it is. Next, we're gonna go ahead and add some nutritional yeast. Add some adobo. And we're gonna add a vegan chicken bouillon. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and use some vegan cheese. So now we're gonna balance out all these flavors and we're gonna add a little bit of sugar to it. Now we're gonna go ahead and add in our elbow mac noodles. Get this all in here, and you wanna make sure you're drowning your noodles. They can't swim, right? So we're gonna take another cheese. So we're just gonna add this right on top of our mac and cheese mix. So this is another trick, guys, that's not in my cookbook. It's not a necessity, but it's actually super delicious when you make baked mac and cheese. It's creating a custard, and this is something that I learned to do long ago. Some people, grandmothers do it, some people don't, but it's like you take in some eggs and you beat it with a little milk to make a custard, and then you pour it on top, and it kind of like seals everything together. All right, so I add some of this just egg on here. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of milk, and we're just gonna blend this together. So then we're gonna go ahead and pour this all over. Ooh, ooh. So we're gonna shake some of that Cajun seasoning on here just to give it a little bit more flavor because we're all about the flavor. Then we're gonna top it with some more cheese. We're gonna put it in the oven on 400 degrees for 45 minutes, and then we'll check on it, and then we'll uncover it for 15 minutes, and we're gonna pull it out, and it should be ready. Our mac and cheese has cooled down some, so we're getting ready to get in there. Ooh, 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 it's flooding. It's flooding. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's flooding. Girl. Hey, my crown still on right. Wait. Baby, listen, they don't call me the queen for nothing, okay? I am the queen for everything and more of this vegan mac and cheese. This is absolutely amazing. If you don't have it, so amazing, make sure you run out and go get it now. Follow this video, follow the recipe, add the extra tips and tricks to it. This is the best mac and cheese, not best vegan mac and cheese. This is the best mac and cheese that you've ever had. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. And I'll see you next time on Say What Is Vegan. Ciao. Ooh, this is so good. All right, ready? Bye.